Hey guys, so you're looking at the live look of the iPhone SE2 prototype. Wow, I never thought that I would be making this video, but this leak is incredible. I honestly thought that the iPhone SE2 will look like this, having the old design language from Apple with the home button and everything. But Apple is really done with this design for good. It really is a goodbye to the Touch ID. So we have a live look of the iPhone SE2, and it might be called as iPhone XE2. We don't know about the naming yet, but you can see that it's a small iPhone 10 with a thicker shell like the iPhone 5. The buttons are same as the iPhone 10. We got the mute switch, volume rocker on the left, and the large power button can be seen on the right, which is also the button to launch the Siri. And sadly, the headphone jack is not here either. Now on the front, we have a bezel-less notch look, and obviously this notch will integrate a 3D Face ID scanner. So far, Apple is really good at this 3D facial stuff, and a lot of people have been satisfied with it, which is why Apple thinks that it is the future, and they are pretty much implementing this on all of their devices. Even the upcoming iPad will have a notch plus Face ID. So the guy unlocks the iPhone. It's pretty fast, just like the original iPhone 10. It's unclear whether we have an AMOLED display here. The chances are that it could be LCD. And because this is bezel-less, the screen size has actually gone bigger than the normal iPhone SE. So it's probably going to be around 4.7 inch, similar to the normal iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 screen size, but with a bezel-less display, which will make this phone incredibly handy and incredibly easy to use with one hand. We have the iOS software, it's all in Chinese, all the apps and everything. Then he launches the setting app, and that looks incredibly similar to like a normal setting app on iOS. So it's said to be a prototype of the phone, but I gotta say it looks very similar to like a finished product. But the release date mentioned in the recent reports is said to be 2019. So next year we'll see this mini monster, but who knows, Apple might surprise us at WWDC, which is right around the corner. This is a pretty big surprise. I mean, for a prototype, this thing looks a lot closer to like a final product, which is why I think it could be released this year. Again, there's no report regarding that. Guys, this is great for Apple fans because you probably don't have to pay like $1,000 for this phone design like you do for the iPhone 10, but it will surely cost more than the original iPhone SE. So probably at around $600, you should be able to get this new iPhone SE2 or iPhone XE, whatever the name will be. Then at 700 something, Apple will introduce a 6.1 inch LCD model, might be called as iPhone 9, which is going to be the upgrade to the iPhone 8/8 Plus family. And of course, then we'll see the usual flagship iPhone. There will be an updated spec version of the 5.8 inch iPhone model, and then there will be a brand new 6.5 inch iPhone 10 Plus. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts regarding this live iPhone SE2 prototype leak. Do you think it can challenge the likes of OnePlus 6 or other phones that will be coming in like a $500 to $600 range? And yeah, just let me know how excited you are regarding the iPhone SE2, and why not subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.